So solve an equation. These are the steps that I like to use. You may have been taught something slightly different. If you're getting things right, then I'm cool with you using your method, but if not, we're going to do things this way. So I put a box around my variable terms. These are the things, this is what I'm trying to get by itself. In step 2, simplify. I don't always have these things all the time, but I need to do them in this order, so I'm going to check for them in this order. So distribute, there's no parentheses, so I'm going to take that off. Combine like terms. Like terms have to be on the same side of the equal sign. So on my left side, I have a variable and a constant or a number, so they can't be combined. On the right side, I have a variable and a constant. They can't be combined. Move variable terms to the same side. So right now I have m's on the left side and the right side. I'm going to move them to the same side by doing the opposite. Okay, it does not matter whether you move them all to the right side or all to the left side. It makes no difference. You will end up with the same answer. So I have a positive 3m over here. I'm going to do the opposite and subtract 3m. Okay, so 3m minus 3m is 0, and that leaves me with just negative 31 over here. On the left side, 2m minus 3m would be negative 1m, and then I bring down that plus 12. Okay, so I still have my variable. And now I've done everything in step 2. Step 3, do the opposite of what is outside the box. So here's my box. I have plus 12 on the outside, so I'm going to do the opposite, which is minus 12. Alright, so that leaves me with negative 1m, because 12 minus 12 is 0. And then negative 31 minus 12 is negative 43. Alright, and then do the opposite of what is inside the box. So I still have my m in a box. Inside, I have negative 1 times m, so I'm going to divide by negative 1 on both sides. And that gives me m equals 43.